From the moment we can talk, we ask questions. Why is the sky blue? What are the stars made of? Why do bad things happen? Where do we come from? Why do people die? People go to great lengths to find answers. Today, there is more information available than ever before. But the big questions about life, suffering, and death still remain. Where can we find answers? What if the answers have been there all along in the Bible? A lot of people say the Bible is full of myths and legends, that it's outdated, or it's just too hard to understand. But is the Bible really the problem? Or is it what people think they know about the Bible? People think the Bible says that God controls the world. But how could that be? This world is out of control. It's full of pain and suffering, sickness and death, poverty and disaster. How could a loving God be responsible for all of this? What the Bible says may surprise you. It says, the evil one controls the whole world. In other words, there's an evil power behind the world's problems, someone who is pulling the strings behind the scenes. That's why, no matter how hard we try, humans just cannot solve the world's problems. The good news is, the Bible says things will not always be like this. It tells us why we're in this situation, how God will fix it, and how we can deal with it in the meantime. The Bible is providing answers to life's big questions for millions of people around the world. Would you like to be one of them? Jehovah's Witnesses would be happy to study the Bible with you. Fill in the online request for a Bible study, and a witness in your area will call to discuss the Bible at a time and place convenient for you.